won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the 2006 56 Ford Focus ST. It's got some upgraded sport alloys, low profile tyres which are newish, not done too far to go. It's an ST3, so full leather, obviously full leather in there. It's got the RS spoiler, and it's got the Pro Ram Air intake on it, and a plug-in chip. It's got carbon fibre tips on there which sound really good. The exhaust pops and bangs as it should for these cars. It's got a CD with Bluetooth and sat nav. It's got all the gauges on there. It's a nice clean car. I've kept this was my own vehicle, so it's been well looked after. So we'll just go for a spin around the block on a cold start. So you can hear that engine, it sounds quite nice on a cold start. So give this a go around the block, and you can get to feel what it's like. The air filter sounds like a turbine under the bonnet. It whistles to you, but it's really a nice quick car, fun to drive. But yeah, he's quick on the acceleration as well, which is good for these cars. Been well looked after. Obviously by myself, had it for a year now. It's a good car. Takes off as it should. Clutch takes off very quick. Opens up well. It's only tastefully modded, it's not wrecked. So that's the Focus ST. A 6-speed manual. So you can link your phone in there. I can show you the CD player with the sub and the amps, quite nice. So yeah, sounds nice with the stereo as well. It's got a nice crisp sound. So that's the Focus ST. Thanks for watching.